Now we will just have glimpses over awards and honors. The 1st October to 15th of October 2018, awards and honors. So UN Champions of Earth Award 2018. UN Champions of Earth Award 2018 is the highest civilian award given for in the category of environment. So this is jointly awarded to Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with French President Emmanuel Macron, okay, during the visit of UNO Secretary General Antonio Guterres. So on 3rd of October, International Solar Alliance was being organized in India. So it is in the presence of the UNO Secretary General Antonio Guterres. So on the same day, he has announced that UN Champions of Earth Award will be jointly given to French President as well as Indian Prime Minister, because these two countries, India and France, are jointly organizing International Solar Alliance to provide renewable energy to the people of this world. And this highest award, Environment Award, was founded in the year 2005. Next, Entrepreneurial Vision Award. So Entrepreneurial Vision Award, it is being offered to Cochin International Airport for its leadership in the use of sustainable energy. So remember, Cochin International Airport is the first international airport in the world, which has 100% solar electricity. So it generates energy, that is electricity, 100% from solar. So complete Cochin International Airport is solar electrified, solar panels. So therefore, Entrepreneurial Vision Awards. Why? Because this Cochin International Airport is not only producing the energy and utilizing it, it also selling the surplus energy to the nearby entities. International Social Security Award 2018. So it is also known as Good Practice Award. So this is given to ESIC, Employees State Insurance Corporation, at the Regional Social Security Forum for Asia Pacific, which was held at Kuala Lumpur of Malaysia. And this International Social Security Award was founded in 1927 under International Labour Organization, Geneva. US Congressional Gold Medal. So US Congressional Gold Medal is the highest civilian award given by US Congress, nothing but US Parliament. So this is posthumously awarded to Mahatma Gandhi, okay, for his contributions towards promotion of peace and non-violence in the world. So US Congressional Gold Medal is being awarded posthumously to Mahatma Gandhi. Next, 2018 Nansen Refugee Award. So 2018 Nansen Refugee Award was given to Surgeon Dr. Evan Attar Adaha. So he hails from South Sudan. He is a South Sudan doctor, Evan Attar Adaha. So this is given by United Nations Human Council for Refugees at Geneva of Switzerland. So Nansen Award is equal to Nobel Award. So this is given by UN agency UNHCR in Geneva of Switzerland. And Swachhta Hi Seva Award 2018 is being grabbed by Indian Railways. So Indian Railways Pakwada has grabbed the Swachhta Hi Seva Award 2018. This will be highlighted in the examination. And coming to Nobel Prizes. So Nobel Prizes are announced total in 6 categories. So physics, chemistry, medicine, as well as peace, economics and literature. So remember, the 2018 Nobel Prizes were announced since September, okay, and this will be awarded, handed over, okay, to the awardees on 10th of December every year, either in Norway or else in Sweden. So mostly it is honored in Norway on 10th December 2018 to mark the death anniversary, not the birth anniversary, to mark the death anniversary of Alfred Marshall Nobel, the inventor of dynamite. So, this year very important for examination that only 5 categories were being announced. No Nobel Literature Award is being announced for the year 2018 due to Me Too campaign. So, remember only 5 categories except Nobel Literature was being announced. So, no Nobel Literature for 2018 is being announced. So, therefore, for the physics it is Arthur Uxin. So, he was a well known physics scientist. So, he is being awarded jointly. So, he was awarded for laser physics. So, Arthur Uxin, so a 96-year-old Nobel physics awardee, he is the oldest one, Nobel awardee till today. And Gerard Albert Moreau along with Donna Strickland. Okay. So, Gerald Albert Moreau hails from France and Donna Strickland from Canada. So, all these 3 people are honored in physics Nobel due to their experiments in laser physics. And remember Donna Strickland from Canada, she is the 3rd woman scientist to get the Nobel physics till today. So, previously in the year 1963, Maria Geoffart Mayer was announced Nobel Prize in Physics, and in 1903 Marie Curie, the first physics scientist, was awarded the Nobel Prize. So, she is a woman scientist. Next, chemistry, Francis Arnold. So, Francis Arnold is an American chemical engineer. So, along with Sir George Paul Winter and George Pearson Smith. So, all these were awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for evolution to engineer enzymes and the page display of peptides and antibodies. So, Nobel award for chemistry is awarded for 3 people and physics for 3 people. Okay, so, this is again very important. And medicine. So, medicine here it is awarded for 2 persons. So, it is jointly awarded to James P. Allison of American immunologist and Tasuko Honjo. So, he is a Japanese immunologist. Okay. So, both were being awarded on molecular identification of cytokines. So, to improve the immunity, okay, fine. So, a therapy was being discovered by these 2 scientists. So, therefore, so Nobel Prize for medicine is offered to James P. Allison and Tasuko Honjo jointly. Next, peace. So, the Nobel Peace is awarded to Nadia Murad of Iraq and Denis Mukwege of Congo. So, Nadia Murad, she is itself a human rights activist and served as sex slave under ISIS. Okay, and she flew to Germany, lives in Germany, and she started fighting against the ISIS, okay, to relieve the sex slaves, okay, from Iraq and Syria. So, recognizing her work, okay, to empower the women, so she is being offered peace Nobel. And even Denis Mukwege, he himself is a human rights activist and a gynecologist doctor. So, he was being awarded the prize for defending victims of wartime sexual violence. So, whoever being affected due to this sexual harassment or sexual violence in the wartime, so psychologically, okay, so he has provided the service at free of cost, okay, and empowered the sexual victims. So, these both were being awarded. So, this Daniel Mukwege belongs to Congo and Nadia Murad belongs to Iraq. And finally, economics Nobel. So, American economist William Northus and Paul Romer. So, both hails from America. So, American economist. So, William Northus and Paul Romer is being jointly awarded the Nobel Prize in Economics for the year 2018 for integrating climate change and technical innovations into microeconomic analysis. So, how come these cyclones, storms, tsunamis, earthquakes, etc., etc., these natural disasters are causing severe problems to economic situations in this world? So, how come these nature or climate change is a threat to economy of the world is being clearly explained by these two scientists of America, two economic scientists of America. So, therefore, these were being recognized as Nobel economist for 2018. And I said you earlier, and I say you once again, that there is no Nobel Prize for literature for the year 2018 due to the allegations made on the Nobel Committee to who else wants to choose the literature prizes. So, the Nobel Committee was also being was being accused over the Me Too campaign. So, therefore, the Nobel Committee members has been resigned, then there is no person to choose the laureates of literature. So, therefore, there is no literature Nobel this year. So, this is all about the awards and honors. Current affairs of important days. So, important days and their themes of October 1st to 15th of 2018. So, very first is October 1st World Habitat Day. So, World Habitat Day is being observed across the world on 1st of October with the theme Municipal Solid Waste Management. Next, October 1st is also observed as International Day of Older Persons with the theme Celebrating Older Humans, Human Rights Champion. 2nd October is observed as Gandhi Jayanti in India, as well as Swachh Bharat Mission Day. So, internationally it is being observed as International Day of Non-Violence. So, Gandhi Jayanti in India is observed as International Day of Non-Violence across the world. Next, 4th of October is World Animal Day. So, animals are very important, they are also part of this earth, so they can be safeguarded. On 5th of October it is International Teachers Day. So, International Teachers Day. So, on September 5th we celebrate it as National Teachers Day on the birth anniversary of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. So, here International Teachers Day is being observed on 5th of October. So, 1 month later to India. So, therefore, with the theme the right to educate means the right to a qualified teacher. Next, on 8th of October 85th Indian Air Force Day is being observed in India. On 9th of October it is World Postal Day. On 9th to 15th it is National Postal Week. This time the Department of Post has celebrated the Postal Week in Maharashtra. On 10th of October it is World Mental Health Day with the theme Young People and Mental Health in Changing World. 11th October it is International Day of the Girl Child with the theme With Her a Skilled Girl Force. 11th October again it is World Sight Day. So, is with the theme I Care Everywhere, and the 11th October is also observed as World Obesity Day. So, World Sight Day, World Obesity Day. On 12th of October it is observed as World Egg Day. So, egg contains a nutritious following. So, therefore, and even proteins. So, consuming an egg a day is very necessary for each and every one. So, next 12th October is observed as World Arthritis Day with the theme It's in your hands, take action. So, it's in your hands, take action is the theme for World Arthritis Day. And 13th October is International Day for Disaster Reduction with the theme Reducing Disaster Economic Losses. So, with the help of satellites we are just providing the necessary safeguard actions to the victims of the tufans or cyclones. So, therefore, International Day for Disaster Reduction theme is reducing disaster economic losses. So, we are just announcing or warning to the fishing persons, fishermen or the tradesmen in the seas during the cyclones. So therefore, we can just reduce our asset loss, economic loss. Okay, so with the help of the satellites we are doing this. 13th October, it is World Migratory Day. So unifying our voices for bird conservation is a theme. So World Migratory Day. Okay, fine. Sorry to say, most of the Siberian birds are being died during this Titli Tufan. So World Migratory Day. Even the Siberian birds are also a migratory birds in Odisha as well as in Andhra Pradesh. On 15th of October, International Day of Rural Women is being observed by UNO. So these are the news, okay, of October 1st to 15th. So friends, SakshiEducation.com helps you to get more marks in your competitive exams, and the boost up is current affairs. So if you remember and revise the current affairs, okay, following, so you can have the accurate marks in the competitive exams. Again, we are reminding you, the SakshiEducation.com will be behind your success always, and we are just providing a brief ideology here. Aspirants are advised to have more knowledge by googling or by through internet our issues. Thank you very much.